So welcome. Video is for 5-a-day questions for AISL day 2. In day 1, we have covered question number 1 to 5 in that video, and now it is day two's video for question number 6 to 10. The total weight of 256 identical pencils. 256 identical pencils is going to be how much? 4.24 kgs. 4.24. What is the weight of? It has been asked as what is the weight of one pencil. So it's going to be 4.24 divided by 256, which is going to be 0.0165625. That's part A. Now coming to part B. Give your answer in three significant figures. So the basic answer was 0.0165625. Now three significant figures. 0 is not being considered as a significant figure. 1, 2, 3. Three significant figures. So draw a line after that and see this number. If this number after the line is 5, or if at all it is 5 or more, then what am I going to do it? Or I am going to add 1 to it and make remaining all numbers 0. So my answer is going to be 0.0166. That's going to be three significant figures. Now write your answer in standard form. So 0.0166. It should be written as 1.66. So we can see that the decimal has to 1.66 over here. The decimal has to go backwards. If at all it is going backwards, it is minus 2. So 2 digits it went back. So 10 to the power of negative 2. That's going to be the answer for question number 6. Question number 7. The girl's height is 1.623 meters. Write her height in nearest centimeters. So 1.623 meters. So multiply with 100 to convert into centimeters. So I'm multiplying with 100 to converting into centimeters. So it becomes 162.3 centimeters. And the nearest one is again, so after the decimal draw a line, it is less than 5. Less than 5 means they make it directly 0. It's going to be 162 centimeters. That's part A. Part B, the time taken to fill a tank was 2 hours 43 minutes. Write down the time to the nearest 5 minutes. So obviously for 43 minutes, which is going to be the nearest 5 minutes, 45 minutes is going to be the nearest 5 minutes. 2 hours 45 minutes. Next, part C, the attendance at a show was 2591 people. How many people to the nearest 100? So 2591, nearest 100. So 91. So nearest 100 is going to be again. Draw a line after that. If this number is 5 or more, what am I going to do that? I am going to add 1 to this and make all other numbers 0. So it's going to be 2600, a nearest 100. Next, the mean distance between the moon and the earth is approximately 384,403 kilometers. Write down the distance in standard form. So it is 3.84403 times 10 to the power of, the decimal has to move how many digits forward, because it has to move so many digits forward. So how many digits forward? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power of 5 kilometers. So that's going to be the answer. Question number 8. Given that height equals to, is given the formula, calculate the exact value of h when L and D are being given. So plus just plug in that. So I am plugging it out. H equals to square root of L square, 0.03625 square minus D square, 0.05 square divided by 4. Use the calculator. You should be able to get 0.02625. Part B, write down answer in three decimal places. 0.02625, three decimal places. So what are the three decimal places? 1, 1, 2, and 3. Draw a line after that. It is less than 5, so just directly make it 0. So it's going to be 0.026. Next part C, write an answer in three significant figures. 0.02625. Three significant figures. What are the three significant figures? 0 is not counted. So 1, 2, and 3. Draw a line after that. It is 5 or more than 5. So what am I going to do? Add 1 and make 0. So it's going to be 0.0263. Write down answer in part A in standard form. So what was that? It is 2.625 because before decimal there should be only 1 point. So I'm having a decimal over here, so it should go backwards. 1, 2. When it is going backwards, times 10 to the power of minus 2. That's going to be the question number 8. Now coming to question number 9. The value of x correct to three significant figures is 1230. Find the possible values of x. So it was 1230, three significant figures. So 1, 2, 3. So there was an estimation over here. So what am I going to do that for that last digit? Just add 5 and subtract 5. Add 5 to get the value. So 1, 2, 3, 5. And subtract 5 to get the other value. 1, 2, 2, 5. So again it is less than or equals to and only less than. See carefully the symbols. It's only the less than. And estimates x square correct with x correct to three significant figures. Bob estimates x square on smallest possible value of x found in the question. Find the difference between the two estimates. So what's Anne is doing with x square, x to the correct significant figure. So Anne's answer is going to be nothing but what? For Anne's, it's going to be 1230 whole square. But for Bob, x square based on the smallest possible value. What is the smallest possible value? 1225. So for Bob, it is going to be 1225 whole square. So now subtract it out both. So it's going to be 1230 square minus 1225 square, which is going to be 1512900 minus 1500625, which is going to be nothing but how much? 12,275. And the last question for today is complete the following table. Again, the exact value and the approximated value has been given. What is the percentage error? So the formula is nothing but what we have learned: approximate value minus exact value divided by exact value times 100. So it's going to be 103 minus 100 divided by 100 times 100. So it's going to be 3. 97 minus 100 divided by 100 times 100. Again it is minus 3, but the error is 3. Basically it should be negative 3, but 3 is also okay. Now over here again, 100 minus 103 divided by 103 times 100 is going to be 2.91%. Then 100 minus 97 divided by 97 times 100. It's going to be 3.09%. 1003 minus 1000 divided by 1000 times 100. So it's going to be 0.3%. 13 minus 10 divided by 10 times 100. So it's going to be nothing but how much? 30%. Then 34600 minus 34567 divided by 34567 times 100. It's going to be 0.0955. So you have to be very much careful in calculating that numbers. So first what I will be doing it out is I will be doing 34,600 minus 34,567. Then that answer I will be dividing by 34,567. So I will be getting it out and then I multiply with 100. So it's 0.095, 5 in three significant figures. Similarly, the next one is 0.346 minus 0.34567 divided by 0.34567 times 100, which gives me nothing but what? 0.0955%. So, and remember, for everything percentage error, so don't forget to write percentage. So that's going to be the answer for question number 10. That concludes the video for day 2. See you in the next video. Bye.